In this video, I'm going to show you how to find a Tinder account with a phone number. Now, believe it or not, there is actually an official way that you could do this. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to the Tinder login page just like so. And you'll notice that you'll get these three options: continue with Google, continue with Facebook, and we are going to see this option that says continue with phone number. And you want to go ahead and actually press on that option. Now, here's where things get a little bit interesting. So what you want to do is you want to enter the target phone number. So this is going to be the phone number of the person that you're trying to look up. Now, if it's linked to a Tinder account, the application will send a verification code to that number. And that basically means that the person you're searching for actually does have a Tinder account. So if a code is sent, it confirms that the number is associated with a Tinder account. However, you won't be able to see the profile unless you gain access to the code, which may not be feasible or ethical. Now, the major risk with this method is that it will alert the person if they receive the code. So again, you only want to do this at your own risk, but there really is no way for them to know it's you. So for all they know, it could just be like some type of spam or anything like that. So I personally do think it is a good method to try to find a Tinder account using a phone number, but that is 100% surefire way to find out if the person you're looking for actually does have an active Tinder profile. However, there are still some other tools that we can go ahead and use. So you guys could use services like Social Catfish, Cheat Buster, and Reveal Cheaters, which allow you to search for Tinder profiles using a phone number. Now, here's the thing, guys. You only want to use reputable services to avoid scams and respect privacy laws. These tools may not always yield results if the profile is hidden or the number isn't linked. But those are some things that you guys could do to attempt to find a Tinder profile. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.